LMM has launched their builder gel, so let's learn how to properly apply it. It's important to do a good prep before applying builder gel to prevent lifting and ensuring maximum wear. Step 1, file your nail bed. This will help the builder gel adhere to your nail. Step 2, take a prep pad and wipe the nail clean. Step 3, apply a very thin coat of our new builder gel without curing it. Step 4, apply a thicker bead of gel in the center of your nail and start gently floating the gel to the top of the nail. Avoid putting too much gel on the sides of the nail. You will notice that the gel will self-level on its own once you glide it over the nail bed. Turn the finger upside down for 5 to 10 seconds and allow gravity to help pull the gel to the center to create the apex. Step 5, clean the excess builder gel from around your nail. Make sure there is no gel left on the skin. Step 6, flash cure for 5 to 10 seconds and then go in for a full 30-second cure. If you want to paint your favorite LMM shade, don't wipe off your nails and proceed by painting a layer of color on top of the builder gel. To wear alone, simply wipe the tacky layer off with alcohol and enjoy your beautiful, strong nails. Plus, the color is so fresh and can be worn for any occasion. This builder gel is great for making your nails strong through your gel manicures. Can't wait for you to try it. Let us know what you think. A biento!